so freaking excited. Today we're gonna go do something that I've been wanting to do for such a freaking long time, and I seriously didn't believe it was gonna happen because we need good snow and really cold temperatures, and it was quite warm, like around 0 degrees, not really much snow, so I really believed it was not gonna happen. Alright, just on the car driving to the place we're going today. I'm so freaking out excited. Like, I really don't know what's going on. And look at this bad hair day, but who cares? We're just gonna like dress up real warm, hopefully. Because it is really cold, and actually snowed quite a bit the last few days. The roads aren't really great either, but this is what we gotta do, right? And I'm actually not even sure if I have the right clothes for it. So we're about to get there. My excitement is through the roof. I'm literally freaking out. I'm gonna show you the road. It's kind of slippery and icy. So let me show you. These are the road conditions. Very much fun until you start sliding and slipping and moving around. So I'm just getting ready, getting all dressed up, and no, this is not what we're doing. This is what we're doing today. Gonna go snowmobiling. I'm so excited.